Hi, my name is Divyam Solsoya. In this short video, I'm going to explain how I created ToDo application in Python using Django Framework. So here is a project opened in VS Code. So let me run this command to show you how it looks like. Let's go to this URL. So as you can see, I already logged in. Let me log out first. So the first thing it will show the user will be the login screen. User can register his or herself. I already logged in, so let me type my credentials. Divyam. Oops. So we are authenticated successfully. It's showing us the task list with search option, deleting, and shuffled option. So let's add a new task. Task 3. Task 3. Submit. So as you can see, our task 3 is added at the bottom of the task list. So let's try to search. Let's search a task. So it picked all the keywords which include task and all the tasks. Let's keyword search. Now let's update the task 1 with status of the completion. So as you can see, it's showing the green dot with strike through on the title of the task. So now let's delete it. It's asking, Clean, are you sure you want to delete this task 1? Yeah. Now I'm prioritizing my task 3 to the top. So as you can see, we can shuffle the task. It also showing the incomplete task number. So let's update the task 3 with completion status. Submit. So you can see it's update, and the number of the incomplete task will be the 2. So here is the to the application. Now let's log out. Let's log in again. So as you can see, it's even showing the previous state of the task list. So now let's close this. Let me show you how I. So here is our project hierarchy. As you can see, the to-do list is our main application. Uh, Let me show you urls.py and settings.py. So in settings, we have created the base application. We have included that base application in the installed apps. As you can see, we have included base application in the. Now, let me show you the URLs. Now, the blank URL will redirect all the will use the base URLs for urls.py file. Let me open that thing. urls.py. So here is all the routing for the base application. If it is blank, it will show the task list as we seen before. So let me show you all the views. Here we have used class-based views. So in the views file, there is multiple view class which will represent as a view. So the first is custom login view, and the register page will take care of the authentication section. Here is a task list which will use a table in the front end. Here is all the CRUD operations view. the creating task, detailing, getting the task detail, getting the task update in the view, delete view, task reorder, which was the shuffle. Let me show you the model. In the model, we are basically using the task, which include user field, title field, description field, complete or not, status field, created when it's created field. Here we have even registered this task. So here we have included all the HTMLs. This is pure this for the security purpose. When this is a container, this is this container. This is for the registration. As you can see, the username, password 1, password again. This will take care of the. This will ask for whether you are sure to delete the task or not. Task form to creating the task. So this was the project. You will find the code on the GitHub. I will put the link on the description. Thank you for the watching the video. Thank you.